Installation Guide for Zhongjing Board and Plaster-Free Construction. Before construction, prepare the following tools. First, board cutting. Use a dust-free saw to cut the entire board according to the drawings. This process can be prefabricated in the factory. Second, edge treatment, to fills the gaps. It prevents cracking and smooths out burrs or height differences on the edges, ensuring smooth connections between boards, creating a seamless visual effect. The tool used for edge trimming is an edge trimming machine. This process can also be prefabricated in the factory. Third, positioning and drilling. Drilling prevents cracking when driving screws directly and ensures the screw heads do not protrude, keeping the surface flat and aesthetically pleasing. Fourth, partition wall stud installation. Cut the light steel studs to size according to the drawings in advance. Before installing the light steel studs, laser positioning and marking are required. After positioning and marking, install the top and bottom steel tracks first. Then install the side steel studs. Then install vertical steel studs at 400 mm intervals. Secure the joints with a stud clamp. Then proceed with horizontal stud installation. Fifth, baseboard installation. Baseboard installation follows the principle of staggered joints, avoiding cross joints, to reduce unevenness caused by errors. The boards are secured with a scraper bar and arm nails. Sixth, plaster-free construction. The first step for plaster-free construction is to fill the board gaps with gypsum. This video demonstrates the process in a step-by-step manner. The next process will start from the new yellow guideline. This ensures that everyone can see all the processes in the end. After the gypsum is completely dry, proceed to the second step. Apply the fiber anti-crack tape. Smooth it with gypsum. After drying, sand it smooth. Step 3. Apply plaster for leveling. After drying, sand it smooth. 4. Apply primer. After the first primer is dry, apply 2 layers of latex paint. Now, remove the guideline, to show everyone the progressive effect of each process. Zhongjing board is lightweight and high strength, easy for one person to carry and cut, simple to install, and can significantly save construction time. So now, do you understand all the steps for installing Zhongjing board and the plaster-free construction?